Good morning, children. Today I am taking a topic from your writing section, short writing tasks. Notice, clear? So now it will be of 3 marks in your board examination, clear? Now, when you write, earlier it used to be of 4 marks, now it will be in 3 marks, clear? Now, when you write a notice, what points you should remember? So first of all, for whom means for whom you are writing this notice, clear? Whether it is for the teachers or house captains or prefects or class monitors or class teachers, etc. Clear? Second point is what the notice is about. What the notice is about means about a meeting, whether you are giving a notice for a meeting or a sports meet or annual function or debate competition or any competition. Clear? Now the third point, when means date, and time you will mention here. Fourth point, where means venue, the place. So whatever notice you are giving, so whether it will take place in the staff room, in a school auditorium, suppose it's a sports meet, so whether it will be in the some cultural function, so it will be in the school auditorium, or suppose any sports day function is there, so it will be in the playground, clear? Or if any meeting is there or any competition is there, so you can mention even room number also. Now the next point is purpose. So children, this purpose point does not come in every notice. It comes in only those notices in which there is a purpose, clear? So in purpose, what you will write? Suppose you have called a meeting to improve the school discipline. So here the purpose is there, clear? Or suppose you want to raise funds for the school. So for this you can organize FET you can organize, clear? So but sometimes there might be some functions or any thing which you are organizing, but there is no particular purpose for it. Clear? Means hidden purpose is always there. Suppose the school has to raise funds, so school will not mention it clearly that this particular thing is the school is doing to raise funds for the school. Clear? In the FET they can mention it, because FET is always organized to raise funds only. But suppose some cultural program you are organizing or any other thing you are doing, and it's simply, if it is simply a function, so in that case no purpose is there. But if you are, whatever money is collected from that function, and suppose you are sending that money to the victims of somewhere, so in that case purpose is there. Otherwise this purpose point will come in what you are organizing. Clear? So now here I have written one question. Mr. ABC is the principal of St. Mark's Academy, Lucknow. On 5th July, he attended a meeting with the board of directors of the school, in which it was discussed, or you can say decided, that since the board result for the last session had not been up to the mark, therefore a serious measures are required in this direction to improve the board results. Clear? Now, so this meeting he attended on 5th July with the board of directors. Clear? So now the real message, children, it comes in the second paragraph. Later on, Mr. ABC wrote a notice for the teachers' notice board. So that meeting too he attended with the board of directors. But now after returning from there, he wrote a notice for the teachers' notice board to be pasted in the staff room for all the teachers of 10th and 12th to attend a meeting to suggest measures to improve the result of the school in future. Clear? So draft a notice for the same. Clear? 3 marks. So means your main message, the content of your message comes here. So now whatever points I have explained, so accordingly I have written here. So first of all, children, it is very necessary to write the name of the school. So name of the school will come at the top. Then notice, NOTICE, you will write here. And just opposite to it, you will write the date. Even if it comes here somewhat down, so no problem at all. After that, you will give your heading. Means what the notice is about, no? So you are giving the heading here, staff meeting. Clear? So now Our first point is for whom. So here I have written for all the teachers teaching 10 and 12. Clear? So it means for whom the notice is. It is for the teachers who are teaching in classes 10 and 12. Are requested. Whenever you are calling for a meeting, write down the word requested. Now, second point is what. So what the notice is about? It is about a meeting. So to attend a meeting. Clear? Then when. When in question it is not mentioned anywhere. Clear? In question it is not mentioned. So you can give day, date, time and venue from your own side. If it is mentioned, then you will mention the same date and time. But here in this question, no day, time is mentioned. So you can write your own day or date 2020 at time also you can mention from your own side. Even venue. Next point is when. When means, where. Where means venue, place. So here I have mentioned in the school library. Clear? If it is mentioned, it's okay. Otherwise, you will give this venue from your own side. And now here purpose. Here in this meeting, we have a purpose because he attended the meeting and the purpose was to improve the results of the school. So here we are calling a meeting with a purpose. Moreover, meetings are always called with a purpose only. Clear? So here the purpose is to suggest various measures. It is clearly given here to suggest measures to improve the result of the school in future. So I have mentioned here to suggest various measures to improve the school board's result in future. Clear? So moreover, after this you will write who is writing this notice. Clear? So ABC principal. So here too you can even write the only principal word also will be enough. Clear? But if suppose this some cultural secretary or other secretary or captain is writing the notice, so first of all you will write the name of that person. ABC means here the name of the person and the designation of that person. Clear? Now the distribution of marks for format 1. Again for content 1. Earlier it used to be 2. Now it is 1 only. And for expression 1, total 3 marks. Clear? So now revise it and soon I will send you some questions to practice. Thank you, children.